Hello TMGT 112 students, this is Dr. Aiden. First, I would like to talk about the last assignment you submitted. You were talking about, the question was about Fiedler's contingency theory. Here there was sitcom, situational control, right? And then there is your leadership style you got from LPC. This is low LPC, and there is high LPC. LPC is the least preferred coworker. As I explained this in the previous lecture, if you give a high score to even your least preferred coworker, that means you are a relationship motivated leader. If you give a low grade to your least preferred coworker, you are a task oriented leader. So you don't really worry about relationships with your followers. And then Fiedler's theory, depending on the control in the situation and then your leadership style, gives you a group performance. Okay, so this end of the axis is low group performance. This end of the axis is high group performance. So in your assignment, you self-assessed a situation. You described a situation that you had leadership, and then you determined your situational control, sitcom. Okay, this end of the axis is high situational control, moderate situational control, low situational control, and then you determined your LPC category. So what you were supposed to do is, in the situation that you talked about, if you had high situational control, and then if you had a low LPC, high LPC leader, then you're here, right? Which means your effectiveness in the team should be low. That's what Fiedler's model predicts, okay? So Fiedler predicts that the group performance will be low. And then in another self-assessment, you looked at total effectiveness scores. If you go back to your assignments, you will see that total effectiveness scores, okay, for each team member, A, B, okay, let's say you got 10, 9, 8. So if this person I'm looking at had high situational control with a high LPC, then the team performance is predicted to be low. But if you got a 10 in the total effectiveness score, that means Fiedler's predictions does not match the situation. Okay, that's the question was asking. You are supposed to do this for each team member. For example, if a team member had moderate situational control in the situation he or she described, and then he's a low LPC leader, okay, this is the leadership style, so he's task oriented, that means you see the group performance is still low. And then let's say that person got a 4 out of 10 in the total effectiveness score. It's low, right? So that means Fiedler's prediction matches your total effectiveness in that team. So in this case, Fiedler's predictions were accurate. So that's what I was expecting in question 3, okay?